It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, August 31st, the last day of meteorological summer. Goodness gracious. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking pretty calm this week. Let's go in there and take a look at things this morning. The upper low that brought the unsettled weather conditions to the state yesterday, that's lifted to the northeast. By the way, Birmingham's official high yesterday was only 74. Wow, 15 degrees below average. And today should be the 16th consecutive day with a high under 90. We're expecting mid-80s today, starting off the day around 70. There's a watch warning map around the nation. Flash flood watches for parts of the Florida Peninsula, but no problems for much of the rest of the nation. And no severe weather expected today. The area is in green. That's where thunderstorms are possible. And notice in Alabama, the green is mainly on the eastern side of the state. That's where the deeper moisture will be and the better chance of any scattered showers. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning. So this carries us for the rest of the week. And the heavier totals over the Florida Peninsula. In Alabama, the amount's lighter for North Alabama. If you've got a beach trip for Labor Day, don't panic here. There'll be a few showers and storms around. That's always expected, but they should be pretty scattered, and I think you'll see a pretty decent amount of sunshine with no tropical worries. Speaking of the tropics, Erica, as expected, fizzled out over the weekend. And it is no more. And the only system on the board is a hurricane, of all places, on top of the Cape Verde Islands. That rarely happens over the far eastern Atlantic. This thing is packing estimated sustained winds at 80 miles an hour, but it's pretty much at the peak of intensity right now. Here's a look at modeling on Fred. Look, gotta love that name. It's a one-syllable name we can all pronounce. Models move it generally to the northwest, and of course there's some outliers. The intensity models pretty much all bring it downhill. Some dissipate this thing. Others keep it a tropical storm. And it's the same deal. It's going to be coming through the dry air and the shredder, the wind shear, and the Hurricane Center brings it down to a tropical depression late this week at about 40 west. And odds of it surviving past that are pretty small. I don't think we'll have any worries here. And, of course, over in the Pacific, there's our trio out there of hurricanes. That one that is close to Hawaii is Ignacio. That'll be passing north of the islands this week and then ultimately weakening with time. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. You can see the core of the westerlies are up in Canada. That upper feature we had over the weekend is long gone. And again, today should be pretty quiet. Mixture of clouds and sunshine. Still some residual moisture left over. And again, both the models are in mid-80s. The NAM is at 85, the GFS at 83. High-res HRRR at 1 o'clock today. And you can see it's got a few little spotty showers, mainly east of I-65, mainly south of I-20. And again, understand there will be showers around today, but just not many, very widely spaced. Tomorrow, the first day of meteorological fall. Yes, September 1st. Looks pretty quiet, and, we'll be up there pushing 90 tomorrow. We might make it. Again, this is 16 in a row under 90. A chance we touch it tomorrow, and the same thing on Wednesday, and both days should be pretty dry, just a slight chance of a shower. This Thursday, same thing. Partly sunny with only isolated showers, and low 90s a decent possibility. And this is Friday. Pretty quiet. Good supply of sunshine, low 90s, chance of a shower small. All right, Labor Day fans, here we go. This is the beginning of the holiday weekend, Saturday, September 5th. Big trough in the Pacific Northwest, big ridge over eastern Canada. And for us, the flow is pretty quiet, but moisture seems to increase, so I think we will begin to see a little increase in the number of showers and storms over the weekend. Wouldn't call it a rainy weekend at all. No, the sun will be out at times, but just understand if you've got some shindig outside, you might have to take a little rain delay from time to time. And this is Sunday. Same thing. Moisture is clearly increasing across the region. I'd say highs in the upper 80s. And Labor Day itself, Monday the 7th, a week from today, a little upper low down to the south of us. And again, suggesting maybe a few hit-and-miss showers and storms with highs in the mid to upper 80s. Here's the end of the forecast, September 9th. Westerlies are still north of us, a 588 ridge a little west of us, and again, that suggests a chance of scattered showers and storms. Here's a look at the numbers for the next 15 days off the ensembles, and you can see this week temperatures creep up a little bit with low 90s, but next week looks cooler with highs dropping in the 80s and lows dropping in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.